AMSOIL Synthetic Water-Resistant Grease is an extreme pressure grease formulated specially for wet-duty performance. Composed of premium quality synthetic base oils and calcium-sulfonate complex thickeners, water-resistant grease provides exceptional film strength, shear resistance, adhesion properties and mechanical stability. Its water washout and spray-off resistance are outstanding for applications frequently exposed to water, mud, snow or ice, including ATVs, UTVs, snowmobiles and boat trailers. Water washout and spray-off protection. The superior wet-duty performance of AMSOIL Synthetic Water-Resistant Grease is formulated with extra-durable cohesive and adhesive chemistry. It holds together when exposed to water and clings tenaciously to metal surfaces when wet, protecting components during prolonged exposure to standing or pressurized water. Corrosion protection. Frequent or prolonged water contact can increase corrosion, resulting in damage to metal surfaces and compromised components. Water-resistant grease seals metal surfaces and chemically fights corrosion, making it ideal for applications with extensive exposure to water, mud, snow or ice. Load carrying and extreme pressure performance. Water-resistant grease protects components from metal-to-metal contact even under heavy loads. Its extreme pressure additives protect against sustained or sudden extreme loads for dependable protection against wear. Join the millions of proud AMSOIL users to experience the difference and get your AMSOIL Synthetic Water-Resistant Grease today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Join the preferred customer program and save up to 25% off orders. Thanks, have a great day.